Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and it's Wednesday. We've had a green Wednesday. Remember, tomorrow the stock market's going to be closed on Thursday, which is November 25th. We're up $700 and something on the day. We are down around $1,200 in the beginning of the day, so we've had a nice rebound to say the least. This has been a pretty brutal stock market the last week, to say the least. We're also going to be going over why that is and how long the sell-off can continue to happen. So make sure you watch this entire video, subscribe with post notifications on, and give me an early thumbs up on this video for the dedication I put forth in every single video. Okay, so first things first, when is the stock market closed? So what we'll see here is for Thursday, November 25th, it's going to be closed all day. America obviously celebrates Thanksgiving on that day. And then also on Black Friday, the market is shortened. So keep in mind that the market will close 1 p.m. Eastern time, so 1 p.m. New York time, that the stock market is closing on Friday as well. Let's talk about the best put options to look at for next week if we continue to see red in the market. All right, so with that being said, we have Rivian up first. They're already down 15% in the last week, and they spiked to $172, and they've already cooled off around 33%. All right, so it obviously would be better if you took out this put a little bit ago like I did. We made around, I think it was $1,500 on a Rivian put. So we made some pretty good money on a Rivian put. Posted on my story as well. So you press trade option. You're going to need a little bit more capital for this Rivian put. I probably wouldn't look at like a December 17th put and like scroll all the way down to the cheap ones, because you're probably going to end up taking out a really bad option that you're not going to be making money on. So I would probably leave the Rivian put alone if you don't have a $1,500 to $2,000 budget for an option. With that being said, I'm looking at that December 31st, $112 put to $111 put. All right, this needs a break-even price around $95 to $96, which I definitely think Rivian can go to that price or lower. And if we're talking about buying shares for Rivian, by the way, I personally probably want to be buying around $70, and I think they can definitely even get as low as $60 or even lower than that. So that's why I think put is a good idea also. You can even extend the expiration date if you have a little bit more of a budget and look at that $110 put here. I honestly like this one better than December 31st put, that 110 put, or the 105 put for January 21st on Rivian. Now, I know I was going to explain why the stock market is going down, and a big thing going on right now is tax loss harvesting. So typically at the end of November and through the beginning of December, a lot of the hedge funds and even retail investors start selling their stocks at a loss. So they literally sell them at a loss so they can write it off on their taxes. So for example, if you lost $1,000 on a stock, you can sell it, you can accept that loss, and you can actually write that $1,000 loss off. But you definitely want to consult a tax professional on that, or do some more research yourself on tax loss harvesting. But that's what's definitely going on right now. And keep in mind, it will probably continue through the beginning of December. So with that being said, Robinhood also has a lockup period at the beginning of December. So a lot of people could be selling their shares at the beginning of December, causing Robinhood to dump even further. Down below $25 per share is really where I want to enter this one for the long term. However, even if you're entering under $30 per share, I think that's still a great entry for the long term. And this one can easily be swing traded back up to $45 per share or higher in the next 6 to 12 months. Now, with that being said, Robinhood has most of its value in holding for 12 to 24 months or even longer. Now, you can also look at a put on Robinhood, which is a little bit more risky because they're already down a significant amount, 42% in the last 3 months, but they have that downward momentum, which is good. But the main reason I'm considering them is because they have a lockup period where investors are allowed to sell their shares at the beginning of December. So we press trade options, and you'd probably be looking at more of a short-term one, like December 23rd or December 31st. So if you go over to December 31st, which is going to be a $25 put for Robinhood, the $25 put, it's only $149, so it's super affordable. Most people can get this. And if you put your stop loss at about a 40 to 50%, by the way, you're only risking around $60 to $70 total when you're taking out this option. and you can make a 30, 40, 50% increase pretty quickly. Remember, option trading is one of the most riskiest ways to trade stocks. So you could lose that $60 or $70 that we talked about in 1 or 2 days if the option doesn't go in your favor and the stop loss automatically triggers. Now, this one I do like. I'm probably going to even be taking that one out personally myself. December 23rd also has some good ones lined up as well. So you can be looking at this 26.5 put or even that $25 put. But my personal favorite one is December 31st, $25 put. And I'll probably be looking to sell this in the beginning of December or even mid-December. Now, if we continue to see the market keep going down and seeing red next week, a hedge or a short or a put on the Lucid group could be good, also up 100% in the last month. We could start seeing them cool off. Also, if you don't have the budget for a put on Tesla, this could be a good way to play even a put on Tesla, because Lucid sometimes does follow what Tesla is doing. If Tesla is doing good, electric vehicles are doing good. Some of the other electric vehicles are doing good as well. This one's still a little bit more money, so if you don't have a $500 budget, then you probably don't want to be looking into this specific stock to be shorting. But on the other hand, on the flip side, if you have a lot of Lucid stock, like let's say you own a couple $1,000s of Lucid stock, this could definitely be a good idea to take out one of these puts to actually hedge your position. Now, this is one that you probably won't be wanting to hold on too long because the theta is kind of high on these Lucid puts, but I would probably be looking at that $48 put around $560. This one right here. So what we'll see is that it's $560 to take out one contract, the $48 put for December 31st. Personally, I probably wouldn't take this put out specifically because I don't have too much in Lucid. So I don't really need to hedge my bets against Lucid. Maybe a Robinhood would be a little bit more better for me personally. And while we're here, we might as well do a quick Lucid update as well. Personally, I think they can get down to around $40 per share again and under $40 per share. So definitely keep an eye out for that. That $35 per share is the sweet spot in my opinion, but I definitely think it'll be below $40 per share once again. Now, I didn't want to drag the video on too long because we have Thanksgiving tomorrow and I want you guys to spend some time with family and not really think about stocks for at least a day or two. At least one day, right, would be nice to not think about stocks. So it's good when Thanksgiving is here. Spend some time with family, friends. Make it a point to, at least if you can't spend some time with family or friends, at least call someone on the phone, some family and friends, and be thankful for what you have. If you have a big stock market portfolio, make sure you're very grateful for that. If you had a great trading year and you made a lot of money on stocks, make sure you're grateful for that as well. It's the least we can do, and I know it's hard not to get caught up in trying to make money in the stock market and $100 here and $100 there. But, obviously life is much bigger than making money. And, having family and friends is one of the most important things in life. So take a second to tell those people that you love that you are grateful for them. And I do want to take some time out to say that I'm extremely grateful for everyone that watches the video, everyone that hits the thumbs up, everyone that comments below. You guys are my support, and you guys are all the day one people that keep this going. So if you're liking the videos, commenting, and even if you're just watching the videos, I really respect that. I'm really grateful for everyone that does those three things. And I can't forget to give thanks to those people who share the videos as well. And I'm going to be coming back with strong banger videos after the holidays. So make sure you're subscribed with post notifications on, because you're definitely not going to want to miss out on some of the stocks that I'm going to be talking about over the next few days. I think we got a lot of potential on at least 5 different stocks that I definitely want to do a deep dive in. And I think we can make some good money on all together. So if you guys appreciate that, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, share it with a friend, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, enjoy your Thanksgiving, enjoy your day off tomorrow, which is Thursday. And remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.